Hi guys, I've seen this interesting question how to make a gradient along the path on the Reddit, so I'm going to try to explain how to do it. So basically there is no real way how to do it as a gradient, so you can do just a few tricks. So first, which behaves more like a gradient, is this one. So take your path and duplicate it, and then offset the stroke to be bigger as end of your gradient. So let's do this and make it yellow, and let's move it under original stroke. So let's do that. And now we need to if we have more than one path, we need to combine it. So select all of them and press Ctrl K and do the same thing for the second one. And now we can select both of them and go to extension, generate from a path, and interpolate between paths. And now we can see how many steps we want to do in our gradient. So for example, if I do just 3, you will see that that gradient is very small, but yeah, and actually this should be 0.5, I think, or 1. Yeah. Right, yeah, so you can do that, and if you put many steps in between, so make sure that style is interpolated, and let's add 15. Right, and then you apply, and that's basically it. There is one small bug that if you have rounded corners, this doesn't get applied. So, but there is easy fix. Just select all of your new gradient and go to Fill and Stroke to the third tab and change it back to this, and you have a gradient. Yeah, and that's how you do it. And there is a second different option how to do this, so let's turn this off, and we can basically blur this top part until our gradient is filled, and then go to Fill and Fill Editor and add component transfer, and yeah, component transfer, yes, and then change alpha to gamma, and then we can basically play with these sliders until we are happy with the gradient, and we can go back and tweak it, so make it bigger or smaller until we are happy with the gradient. This has advantage that this is basically still non-destructive. Basically, if we select both of these paths, we can still edit it and it still fits on the gradient. So yeah, I hope this is at least somehow useful for you.